We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, I'm Cecil with Onyx Imaging, and today we're going to talk about your Canon LBP654, and you are using it and all of a sudden you get this nice flashing red light that says paper jam. One of the things we hate to see. The main thing about paper jams is ideally you always want to pull the paper that is jammed from the printer in the direction that the paper is feeding. Otherwise, you run the risk of breaking small little sensors that detect a paper jam. If you break it off, the printer will always think it is jammed and will require service. Now on your Canon, paper feeds is picked up from the back and comes up the back of the printer and out the top. So you get your error message here. You may need to turn the back of the printer if you don't have access to it. Open the door. Here's your paper, and you will want to pull it as straight up and out as you can. Once you've removed your jam, shut the back door, and the printer will check and make sure everything's happy again, and we'll go from there. Now a lot of times you'll have a jam message and you'll look and you'll find no jam. If there's no paper jammed anywhere that you can see, and then I reference you on how to the video we did earlier on the 5 causes on how jams occur. So you may have one of those situations to deal with. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.